Good morning. SAMCO Real Estate proudly presents you a 10,000 square feet warehouse with office spaces situated in a prime location in Nad Al Hamar. So basically this is the warehouse. You can see the ceiling, and the most important thing is it has got air conditioned. So it's an air conditioned warehouse. So you can see the ceiling and air conditions here. So this is basically the tiled part. It has got one portion which is the tiled part, and the second portion which is the warehouse. So the first I'm going to the warehouse area. So this is the warehouse area. And you can see this is the warehouse area. You can see the air conditioned ducts available. So right now I'm going to the center, and I'm going to have a 360 degree for a better understanding. So this is the warehouse portion, the ground floor. It has got all the approvals from Dubai Civil Defense and Dubai Municipality as well. All the fire systems are installed here, you can see. And now I'm going to the mezzanine floor of the warehouse area. So this is the mezzanine floor, and you can see the ducts, air conditioned ducts available here, and it's also insulated. You can see the sandwich panel on the top, and it's a very neat and clean warehouse. Here you can see an opening through which you can see the ground floor area. So if you want to break this wall, you can make a shutter, so it will be easily accessible from here. Next, we are moving to the tiled area. So this is all about the warehouse area. Next, we are moving to the tiled area. So right now I have entered this area from the warehouse area. Now you can see there are washrooms available here. So this is the first washroom. This is another washroom. And here you can see a pantry space available here. You can see big windows over here, and it's facing to the road. This is the place from where we have gotten. And next we are moving to the mezzanine floor in the tiled area. So this is the lift. It has got a lift as well. And now we are going to the mezzanine area of the tiled section. You can see the tile. It's fully tiled. It has got big windows as well. It has got ceiling, and it's fully air conditioned. You can see the spaces. So here there's one room and two washrooms. So these are the washrooms. And this is another one room which is not tiled, but has got air conditioned ducts. All the sprinkler systems all are installed here, and it has got windows as well. So for more details, please contact SAMCO Real Estate, and the number is 052-143-8764. Thank you and have a nice day.